Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best high lift jacks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best high lift jacks. Starting at number 5, we have the big RED TR6501B Torin. The fantastic big RED TR6501B Torin off-road utility farm jack is illustrative for both off-road and farm-friendly. This beast has everything you need with a 6,000-pound load capacity and a range of 40 inches in height. You can use it for any backyard project or construction site project to elevate heavy vehicles. The company has built this jack to deliver performance for a longer time because of its rust-resistant, powder-coated finish and zinc-plated hardware. You can easily lift even the heaviest loads using the ratcheting mechanism. Its fast lifting mechanism guarantees safety and allows speedy service. Its broad base delivers resilience in adverse environments. Whether lifting a vehicle or removing embedded bolts, this jack is best for an off-road and intimidating situation. It is the best option on a farm where you require elevating machinery, and you can use it conveniently. The broad base helps give stability and its fast lift time makes this machine perfect for emergencies, such as fires and rescue attempts in which speed is crucial. Moving on at number 4, we have the high lift Jack XT485 48 inches. This high-lift off-road jack, the high-lift XT485 Extreme Jack, has a proven best track record. Because of its innovative features, it is one of the best high-lift jacks on our list that you can purchase. Off-road enthusiasts across the world rely on it as a robust weapon. A cast metal construction and a powder-coated and zinc-coated exterior enable it to resist rust. It has a 2-piece handle and socket for emphatic winching, clamping, and spreading. Any off-road adventurer can be highly practical with the use of this jack since just one person can efficiently operate it. For lifting your car, Jeep, or truck over a hurdle, the high-lift XT485 Extreme will deliver the best. Ensure the jack's capacity against the weight of your vehicle and purchase any needed straps, chains, shackles, etc. Though the original XT485 Extreme Jack is branded High Lift Jack, this product is our best choice on the list because of the most positive reviews made. At number 3, we have the Smittybilt 2722. In times of need, the Smittybilt 2722 54 inches heavy-duty jack is here with a compact design for you. They made this jack from corrosion-resistant materials, and its finish is powder-coated, making it long-lasting. The Smittybilt 2722 jack is up to the task if you're elevating heavy machinery. It also keeps a lifting range of up to 54 inches, representing it perfect for pulling, clamping, spreading, and picking up tractors or other heavy vehicles. You can easily adjust its lift arm at any position upright, allowing you to use it under any car or heavy machine. The Smittybilt 2722 jack is perfect for heavy-duty lifting. The cast steel construction guarantees durability, and the ratchet mechanism allows precise positioning. We like this super-performing jack's grip points, making it easier to use from a height. At number 2, we have the high-lift Jack XT485 48. Some people believe the original is always the best. The high-lift Jack XT485 is the second line because of its unique features and all-metal construction. One of the dominant attributes of the XT485 is its all-cast iron frame coated with a zinc coating to discourage rust and corrosion. So, the zinc coating ensures corrosion resistance on the winch, clamp, and spreader attachment. In comparison, its cast iron construction makes it highly durable and perfect for everyday use. Therefore, the high-lift HL485 jack is well suited to uphold extreme conditions. Whether you're changing a tire or making significant changes around your vehicles, this jack is perfect for all your projects. This jack comes with a two-piece handle and socket, making it durable. And its one-position operation allows it to be used in winching, clamping, and spreading modes. The high-lift HL485 jack is more costly than other models with similar ventures. Yet, you also get a super durable, high-quality jack for your money. And finally at number 1. We have the high-lift Jack HL484 48 inches. The high-lift Jack HL484 is a versatile and perfect tool for off-road fanatics, ranchers, and homesteaders alike. This high-lift 48 inches cast and steel jack is a first-class product with a cast and stamped steel parts mixture. This high-lift jack is powder-coated blue for easy gripping, and the company had zinc its hardware plated for durability. That's why it can grip nearly any surface under heavy loads. It is also highly durable to handle any task, so you can feel confident that it will last for years. You can easily navigate the jack into any corner with its rubber bumper that wraps around the top. With this jack, you can safely raise your car, truck, or SUV. High-lift jacks feature a shear bolt that controls them from being used on loads exceeding 7,000 pounds, ensuring their safety and reliability. Having a two-piece socket and handle, it is stable. Besides, the company had adorned the handle with safety information stickers with rated load details and operating instructions. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.